The top 5 guidelines for effective eye workouts for enhancing vision naturally. Get better eye health with intentional vision eye workouts with mindfulness in eye motion. Each eye movement needs to be performed with purpose and awareness. Learn how engaging mindfully with your eye workout can amplify benefits for eye health. Welcome to a simplified and engaging guide to performing eye workouts for natural vision improvement. I'm Sviatoslav and I walk you through the essential strategies and reasons behind these beneficial eye exercises. Let's dive into how you can optimize your routine for eye health and clearer vision. First, avoid eye muscle fatigue. Key principle: cease exercise at any sign of eye strain. When embarking on oculomotor exercises, it's crucial to listen to your body. Should you experience any discomfort or fatigue, such as after moving your eyes side to side a few times, it's time to pause. This immediate stop is necessary because it signals that certain eye muscles aren't yet adaptable to this movement. Overexertion leads to both physical and psychological aversion, deterring future exercises. Additionally, since visual impairment often stems from eye muscle strain, our goal is to alleviate, not to increase this tension. Second, find joy in the process. Key principle: embrace relaxation and enjoyment during the exercises. Transform exercises into enjoyable moments by incorporating relaxation techniques like palming, while visualizing eye muscle relaxation and eye strain relief. This positive approach not only makes eye exercises more appealing, but also enhances your motivation and overall effectiveness of your practice. Observing the ease of eye movement and the improvements in your vision without squinting encourage an eye health, rewarding and motivation experience. Discover the secrets to improving your eyesight through proven, gentle eye exercises and holistic health strategies with Eyesight Academy course, a link in the description. Third, intention over automation. Key principle: I exercise with awareness and pure focus. For increased effectiveness, executing exercises mechanically without awareness or engagement greatly diminish their potential benefits. By focusing on the sensation and purposes of your eye movements, you significantly amplify the effectiveness of each exercise. Understanding and feeling why and how you perform in each action ensures your efforts are not only more enjoyable but also substantially more beneficial for vision improvement. Fourth, begin in relaxation. Key principle: start with a relaxed mindset for effective eye exercises. Prioritize eye relaxation before commencing any visual workout, understanding the purpose behind each exercise and approaching them with a calm, positive attitude will maximize their benefits. This rule emphasizes the importance of mental state in the efficiency of eye workouts. The mindful approach to eye health is very important. Fifth, master visual trajectories slowly. Key principle: gradually progress with precise, control eye movement, focusing on slow, accurate exercises and limiting repetition, especially in the initial stages, helps in gradually relieving oculomotor muscle spasm. Emphasizing relaxation and attentive observation prevents overexertion and promotes a healthier, more adaptable visual system. Exploring eye exercises like tracing the outline of a circle, both clockwise and counterclockwise, can unveil areas of eye muscle tightness. guiding you to gently work through this eye muscle tension and enhance muscle flexibility and functionality according to unlock the eye focusing on the different distances. Conclusion: by adhering to these 5 foundational rules, avoiding eye muscle fatigue, enjoying the process, practicing with intention, starting in a state of relaxation, and mastering visual movement slowly, you can significantly improve your vision naturally. These guidelines not only foster healthier eyes but also ensure a more enjoyable and effective journey towards optimal eye health. Don't forget to engage with this content by subscribing, liking, and commenting on any question you have. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on enhancing your vision naturally. See you in the next time.